Fits 5/8 of an inch, 16 mm, receivers. Usable length of receiver pin is 2-3/4 in, 70 mm. Push-to-lock locking mechanism. Push lock body onto pin firmly and remove key. Weather tough seal and watertight cap protects lock from moisture and dirt. Class 3, IV, 10,000 pounds. Load rating. 4-pin cylinder for added pick resistance. Same key opens both locks. K1 key blank. The Master Lock 1479 TAT features two 5/8 inch, 16 mm, Class 3, IV barbell receiver locks, keyed alike. The receiver lock includes the push-to-lock locking mechanism, easily used by pushing the lock body firmly onto the pin and removing the key. The Weather Tough seal and watertight cap provides additional protection from moisture and dirt. The limited lifetime provides peace of mind from a brand you can trust. Class 3, IV, 10,000 pound load rating. Top reviews from the United States. Low profile, easy to lock and unlock. If space is tight next to hitch, these are the ticket. Easy to use and install and remove.